So, this is my COVID vaccine story. So, I put up a story wherein I gave you two options and you choose this one. So, I vote this one. This is how I have styled it. Do let me know how you like this one. I was kind of anxious, kind of excited, kind of nervous. I really couldn't tell that what it was. Maybe it was just that once you are vaccinated, you maybe are able to travel. So, I was just, looking forward to that and also being safe as well. So our cab has come and I'm on my way to take it, and the center is almost like hardly 10 minutes away, and now I'm putting the mask, which I absolutely had to once you're going out. So this is the place, this is our center, and we have just reached. And I'm very, very impressed by all the process, by the smooth transition of the entire process of the COVID vaccination. Like, Singapore has really done a very, very amazing job at this. This is the waiting area where we are waiting before we get the consultation, before they ask us all the questions related to allergies and all. And once they're finalized, then we are taken to this area where you actually get vaccinated. And the person was very sweet, he allowed me to record this for myself. And this is me getting the shot, and it didn't pain at all. I was very nervous because in the longest time I haven't taken any injection, like as far as I remember, I really have not. So I was quite nervous, but it didn't pain at all. This is the waiting area, so they keep you there for almost like half an hour, and they just want to see that nobody faints and everything is okay. We are allowed to go. We are being given some face mask and hand sanitizer. And yes, the vaccination is done. It almost took just 40 to 45 minutes for the entire process. Then I had a pizza. Yes, I was craving for it, so I had a little bit. And then I came back home. I took this particular shot because I really wanted to put it up. So this was it, and I'm just tracking my symptoms. I had a little bit of pain the next day, that is today morning, but rest everything is absolutely fine. So if you have any questions, do DM me or do comment in the